Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe para sa buwan ng Pebrero. At bago po tayo mag-umpisa, syempre babatiin ko po kayo ng isang masayang Happy Valentine's Day. We have Twin Flame Union, Lasting Love, and love language is gift giving. Okay. Wow, Pisces. May twin flame union din dito. Something to do with, may similarity with yung reading natin kay Taurus. Twin flame is of course, sabi ko nga, ito yung dalawang kaluluwa na isa lang siya na pinaghati ni God. Itong dalawang kaluluwa na to ay nagkikita palagi, no? They meet each lifetime. Hanggat dumating yung time na panahon na para sila ay maging mag-isa o magbuklod muli para maging mag-isa, o what we call that to be in union. Okay? Ngayon, yung nangyayari kasi sa twin flame is something na usually either yung isa older, yung isa younger, kasi nga hindi sila sabay na nagre-reincarnate dun sa susunod na lifetime na pupuntahan nila pareho. Ngayon, minsan kung bakit nangyayari yun is because yung nagiging sitwasyon nila tong current lifetime is maybe the one is married, the other one is not. You know, yung mga ganong sitwasyon. So, kung gaba meron ka pang inaayos itong lifetime na to para sa susunod muli na pagkikita nyo ay mas prepared ka na o mas ready na kayo pareho to be together. Okay? So, something na into that effect yung yung twin flame union. Okay? Body, mind, and soul. So talagang yung lahat ng kabuuan mo is kung gaba binubuo yun para pag nagkita nga kayo isa lang kayo. Okay? And then we have lasting love. This is your true love. Wow, Pisces. I'm so happy kasi di ba yun naman talagang gusto natin, makita natin yung ating true love o makapiling natin yung ating true love, which is to be a lasting love. Yung talagang pangmatagalan. Sabi nga nila, pang forever. Kasi kung yung iba hindi naniniwala sa forever, I think most of the Pisces, if you agree with me, talagang inaano tong forever, no? Naniniwala sila in their hearts. Naniniwala sila sa forever. Kasi yun ang gustong nila na klase ng relationship na magkaroon. Now, yung love language dito is gift giving. So, yung person mo, okay, or it could be you, take it as it resonates, Pisces, na mahilig ka magbigay ng mga materialis na bagay or anything that is your way to show that you care or you love the person. Naiisip mo siya, namimiss mo, you know, anything. It could be any gift at na mabibigay mo sa kanya, just to let your person know exactly na yun nga, mahal mo siya, namimiss mo. naisip mo siya nung oras din o nung nakita mo tong particular bagay na to. It could be a thing, a food, a flower, clothes, or whatever, jewelry, whatever. Siya yung agad nasa isip mo. Okay? So, yun yung gusto mong paratingin. Now, let us see sa tarot kung ano yung makukuha natin na message. We have Justice, the World, Temperance, Queen of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom niya is the Death. Wow, Pisces. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 major arcanas, no? So, ibig sabihin yan is, this is something na will happen, no? Mangyayari. Kasi, ano to kung gaba parang, kung sa nakaguhit na sa tadhana, okay? It's most likely to happen. Now, we have the Death card. Of course, alam naman natin, sa aking mga regular na subscriber at sa mga bago po, para sa inyong kaalaman, ang Death card po ay pagpapatunay na magkakaroon po ng pagbabago. There will be a change. Okay? Kung yung iba po kasi, they would take this as something ended that needs changing, no? Merong kailangang matapos kasi kailangan na siyang mabago. That is the explanation of the Death card, okay? Yung transformation, yung pag-iiba, no? Kaya kung gaba, hindi mababago kasi yon kung hindi nagkakaroon ng ending, yung pagtatapos na tinatawag, okay? Now, in a way kasi, di ba, sabi ko nga sa twin flame union, you need to reincarnate sa next lifetime. Kasi baka yung next lifetime naman is already yung perfect timing ba na tinatawag natin na ito yung magkikita na ulit kayo and then ito na yung time na dapat kayo magsama. So maybe that is one change, okay? Now, the Ten of Wands dito, yun yung sinasabi dito na ano ba yung kailangang mabago. Ang kailangang mabago is yung nararamdaman mong paghirap o yung burden o yung tipong meron kang ginagawa na mabigat na sa iyong kalooban o sa iyong puso, no? Or this is something na, or maybe something very physical na talagang sa dami ng ginagawa mong trabaho, no, you need to put it down and take a rest. Yung mga tipong ganon ang sinasabi niya. Kung ba, tama na. This is what the card is saying. Tama na. Enough is enough. Kasi kung ba sukdulan na yung nararamdaman mong pagod, hirap, pagtitiis, okay? Now, ano yun? Ano yung pagtitiis na yun? That's something to do with love. Okay? With the King of Cups. Yung isang characteristic kasi ng King of Cups, though it's really all about love, no? Talagang hindi mo pwedeng questionin yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo kasi totoo naman siya. But sometimes, merong ugali itong King of Cups na itinatago niya sa kanyang sarili, yung pag-ibig na yon. In other words, hindi niya inilalabas agad-agad. For whatever reason, kung bakit kinikimkim sa kanyang puso ang kanyang nararamdaman para sa iyo. Okay? Siya yung nakakaalam nun. Okay? So, maybe that is what needs to change. Kung may nagtatabi o hindi nagsasabi o hindi nagiging tapat sa kanya sarili pagdating sa damdamin niya sa'yo, that needs to change. Di ba? Mabigat yun mabigat sa kalooban, di ba? Mabigat sa kalooban na hindi mo masabi, hindi mo ma-express yung pagmamahal na yon. Now, the first card mo dito is Justice. Energy coming from a Libra, or you might be dealing with a Libra kung meron man siyang Libra sa kanyang chart. Now, ang Justice kasi is maybe it's something to do with yung pagbibigay ng balance or pagiging equal. But it could also be expressed in a way na you might be in a relationship, no? Sa past, no? Sabihin natin na you're in a relationship or you are married. Okay? Kasi justice, di ba? Ang simbolo nito is the scale. So, it means something to do with having equal agreement, contract, something like that. So, possibility is that you are already in a relationship. Now, ano ba yung nagiging challenge is the relationship has to end. Kailangan siyang matapos. This is the World card. Ang World, ang kaibaan nito, no, with the Death card, kasi pareho silang ending eh. Ang Death needs change, pagbabago, kaya nagkakaroon ng pagtatapos. Ang World, nagkakaroon ng pagtatapos kasi pupunta na siya sa bagong cycle. Sa bagong cycle. So, in other words, mag-uumpisa ka muli sa ibang daan o sa ibang takbo ng buhay. Okay? Now, if it's something to do with the twin flame, then sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, Pisces, this is what it is, no? Yung World is really telling you na there is this possibility that you will be meeting your twin flame very soon. Kaya kung gaba, there is that need na mabago yung path ng buhay mo. Okay? Now, syempre magiging question yun, may asawa ako eh. Paano mababago? We will verify, okay, later. But I'm just telling you, in general, no, kung ano yung nakikita ko ngayon. Now, ano yung sinasabi na kailangan gawan mo na aksyon is, with the Temperance card, this is an energy coming from a Sagittarius. Kailangan balanse ka. You have to be balanced, no? Kasi kung mababago nga yung takbo ng buhay mo because of you meeting your twin flame, you need to be sure that you are ready for this. That you are balanced. That you have healed. Gumaling ka dun sa mga, kung meron ka mang pinagdaanan dito na, sabihin natin na challenges, no? Dito sa world. Challenges dito. You have to make sure that you're already healed. You're already healed and balanced to face yung bagong path na dadaanan mo. To face yung twin flame mo. Why? Because yung intention dito is really to show the person your true love. Kasi siya yung true love mo, Pisces. Yung ka-twin flame mo is the true love or the love of your life. Doon sa mga makaka-experience ito, Pisces, not everybody will experience this. You know, sinasabi ko dito. Okay? Kaya very special po yung twin flame union. If you happen to be one of the Pisces na, in a way, I would say very lucky kasi bihira nga ito, then talagang mararamdaman mo that this person is your true love. Diba? Yung sabi natin, something that is truly lasting. It's a lasting love. Bakit? Kasi tandaan mo nang galing yung kalahati. Itong tao na to that represents the half of your soul. Diba? Yung kalahati nasa iyo, yung kalahati nasa kanya. And for you to meet, no, and to be in union, para mabuo yung soul na yun into one. That's why it's very special. And syempre kung yun, part of that is you, di ba? And the same with that other person, iingatan mo yung mabuti. Ayaw mo siyang mawala na. Di ba? Kaya nagiging lasting love. Now, yung sinasabi dito, ano bang magiging outcome? I think, yung 10 of Swords dito is again an ending. No, we have several types of ending kasi. Now, itong ending na to is really putting stop to all the negative thoughts. Negative thoughts, negative communication, whatever na pinaghirapan mo, maybe through the years o tong lifetime na to, is going to end na. Finally gonna end na. Kasi, bakit? Because you already found the love of your life. No? Ano na kung ba parang nasagot na lahat nung mga questions mo siguro before, yung mga pag-iintay mo, yung time na iniintay mo siyang dumating. Ito na yon. Ito na yung panahon na talagang sabihin natin magkikita na kayo. Now, verify natin. Bakit andito yung Justice? We have the 8 of Cups, the Emperor, and the 4 of Swords. Yung Justice dito, okay? If you were in a relationship, no? Yung nakaraan mo, somebody walk away. Merong umalis. Okay? Maybe you left itong Emperor. Emperor is energy coming from an Aries. So you might be dealing with an Aries or meron siyang Aries sa kanyang chart. Somebody walk away. Definitely. And it left you na parang dahil dyan sa nangyaring pag-aalis, pag-iwan, nag-isip ka tuloy, nagpahinga ka this is one way of resting, no? Nagpahinga ka para mag-isip kung ano yung nangyari, mag-isip doon sa pangyayari na nagdulot sa iyo ng sakit ng damdamin, okay? Because we have the 3 of Swords here, and then the 4th sword is down here. So yung iniisip mo yung nangyari sa nakaraan, bakit ganun, bakit umalis itong person mo, bakit ka iniwan, bakit kayo nagkahiwalay, o bakit may natapos. Bakit andito yung World? We have the 9 of Wands, the Chariot, and the 8 of Wands. Yung kailangang magkaroon ng panibagong path, no? The World, yung sabi natin dito, is because matagal ka na ring, alam mo yon, na nag-iintay o nagtsatsaga na just there in a relationship. Pakiwari mo na parang walang masyadong ganap, kung ba. Parang andyan ka lang. Ang hinahanap mo is something na merong movement, may action, may paggalaw. Kung ba may fulfillment. You felt na parang tired, no? Pagod o nanghihina ka na, nawawalan ka na ng lakas ng loob. Kaya gusto mong yung mabago na yon o maiba na naman yung takbo ng buhay mo, na medyo magkaroon naman ng konting excitement, galaw, pag-usad, moving forward, something like that. When it comes to especially communication, or maybe kung enjoyment, traveling, or when it comes to passion, no? It could mean something like that, no? Yung pag-express ng pagmamahal ng person mo sa'yo. Bakit andito yung Temperance? We have the 5 of Coins, the 10 of Cups, the Knight of Swords. Ngayon, sabi ko, di ba, pag dumating yung person na yon, since kasi nga gusto mo ng movement, you have to make sure that you are ready for this, no? At wala kang yung feeling ba na parang hindi ka binigyan ng, o as if parang iniwan ka lang. No, you felt that you are not given the proper attention, love and attention. No, yung kung ba yung happiness mo, kasi nga parang binaliwala ka, kaya yung happiness mo ay affected. Kung ba parang ang bilis na nawala. Ang bilis na wala yung kaligayahan mo. No, because you felt that this person who left you, parang kinuha rin niya yung paniwala mo na hindi na ako liligaya kasi wala na siya eh. That is why I'm telling you na pag dumating yung person na yon o ibang tao sa buhay mo, you have to have healed and ready and balanced for this next relationship. Okay? No, but dito yung Queen of Cups. At andito yung Queen of Cups. We have the High Priestess, the King of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Now, we have a pair, di ba? Yung love na sinasabi ko dito, we have the Queen and the King of Cups. So, there is a pair. Kung ba match kayo. Now, when it comes to this love, you are asked to use your intuition, no? With the High Priestess. When it comes to this person na lalapit sa'yo, na talagang, di ba, magsasabi ng kanyang pag-ibig sa'yo. Somebody who would say or kung ba mag-i-express na ng kanyang damdamin sa'yo. Pakiramdaman mo kung talagang totoo ito. Okay? Kasi what you wanted is, di ba, yung talagang lasting love. Somebody na talagang alam mong compatible kayo, okay kayo, which is this, di ba? Yung kapartner niya, ito. So, you use your intuition, Pisces. Alam mo kung talagang siya yung nararapat para sa'yo. Bakit andito yung Ten of Swords? We have the Seven of Wands, the Moon, and the Knight of Cups. Now, ano ba yung matatapos dito? Ano ba yung mga ending na yan? magkakaroon na ng pagtatapos pagdating sa ikaw pagiging defensive mo. Things will be much clearer now when it comes to the offer, yung love na i-offer sa'yo. Yun yung magkakaroon ng pagtatapos, okay? Kasi kung dati, very defensive ka and things you don't understand, may mga bagay na malabo, pagdating doon sa pag-o-offer ng love, it will end, no? Matatapos yun. Matatapos na kasi maybe this is the time nga na sabi ko nga, baka magkikita na kayo nung ka-twin flame mo, which would be your lasting love. Bakit andito yung Knight of Cups? We have the Three of Coins and the King of Swords and the King of Wands. So yung mag-o-offer dito ng kanyang love is that person would definitely be in harmony with you when it comes to communication and in passion. Okay? So, yung kung gabay yung hinahanap mo, Pisces, na talagang compatible kayo kasi gagawin niya lahat para maging okay yung relationship. Lalo na pagdating sa pag-uusap at pagiging very, passionate, may action, may effort, yung mga ganon. Kaya siguro nga, sabi dito na wala na, mawawala na itong mga, kung dati meron kang mga doubt o pag-aagam-agam o maybe in a way hindi ka naniniwala, ngayon, pagdating itong taon to, which is what I'm saying is possible that it could be your twin flame, mababago lahat yun. It will change. No, it will all change. Now, yung sabi ko dito, di ba, if you're in a relationship, well, ang mangyayari nga is something happened, no? May mangyayari dito kung bakit that person, your person, will be going away. Aalis siya, maghihiwalay kayo. No? Or it could be you, or it could be your person. Take it as it resonates. But definitely, somebody is leaving someone. Okay? Kasi nga, ang hanap na nung isa is pagbabago sa ibang, kung gaba, another relationship, another person to be in a relationship with. May iba naman. Hindi yung, kung yung dati, puro, sabihin natin hindi naman kayo okay, hindi nagja-jive naman yung ugali nyo, lagi lang kayo nag-aaway, meron kayong mga misunderstanding. Kaya parang, alam mo, napapagod ka na doon. You're getting tired of that particular scenario na palagi na lang ganon. Lagi na lang kaming merong argument, no? Kina-question namin yung isa't isa. O may problema kami sa kaperahan. May problema kami sa tiwala sa isa't isa. Yung ganon. Naghahanap ka na ng iba. Gusto mo naman yung sana tong taong to is somebody na totally opposite nitong person ko ngayon. Okay, andito yung world. Okay? Andito yung world. You wanted that particular cycle, yung buhay mo ngayon, sabihin natin, o noon, totaling matapos na at mabago at pumasok ako sa ibang cycle ng buhay ko. Tingnan natin kung ano yung advice ko sa'yo. Says here, honesty is essential. Speak with love and truth. Yes, of course. Diba? Sabi ko nga, yung honesty dito. Importante yan. Kailangan talaga honest ka. Maybe that is what is needed here. No? Dito sa nangyari before. Kaya, nagkahiwalay kayo kasi sinabi mo lang na, no, I'm not happy. Magulo tayo. We are not compatible. Lagi tayo nag-aaway. And I think we're better off just, separated. Now, ano natin? May bago bang mamimit si Pisces na love? It says here, maybe. So, hindi ka pa sure. I guess you're still trying to see kung ano yung mangyayari sa'yo. Because most of Pisces reading right now is really more of concentrating sa kanyang work, no? Yung focus mo is on your finances, sa pera, sa career. Maybe love is just being put at the back burner. Tignan natin. Yung person bang dadating sa buhay ni Pisces, yung ka-twin flame niya. It says here, yes. And another yes. So, 2 yeses. Okay? Now, tignan natin. Kailan yung mamimit ni Pisces yung ka-twin flame? Trust that it will happen when the time is right. Ooh. Trust that it will happen when the time is right. Diba? Sabi sa'yo, pag oras na, nakita na ni God that both of you are already prepared and you're ready, you will meet. Magmi-meet kayo. Kaya nga, ang andun dyan is, be ready. Maging ready ka. Learn as much as you can pagdating sa mga bagay na dapat mong matutunan o baguhin sa sarili mo. Be a very good person. If there's anything na talagang you wanted to correct sa mga mistakes mo sa past, this is the time to do it. Kasi nga, you have to be perfectly in alignment dito sa yung ka-twin flame para mag-meet kayo. Ganon din siya. Kasi kung hindi pa kayo nag-meet ngayon, maybe because kung ready ka na, but your person is not. So, intayin mo yun eh. Intayin mo siya na maging ready para mag-meet kayo. Okay? Now, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga characteristics ng person mo, Pisces. May magandang ngiti. Mas bata sa'yo. Sexy. Air sign. Meron siya nitong air sign sa kanya. Air sign siya o meron siyang air sign sa kanyang chart. So, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Diretso ang buhok. Or, there's another one. It says here, matanda sa'yo. So, it could be either mas bata sa'yo or mas older sa'yo. So, take it as it resonates. Okay? Kasi syempre maraming Pisces tayong nanonood. Okay? So, ano pa ba? I think that's it. I hope na nakatulong ito sa'yo, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.